Trying to decide between Shopify and WooCommerce for your online store? Let's break it down so you can pick the one that actually fits your needs. No jargon, just real talk. Shopify is the all-in-one e-commerce platform. You don't need any coding skills to use it, and everything's handled for you. Hosting, security, payments, updates. Just sign up, build your store, and start selling. It's super beginner-friendly, scales well, and gives you full control without the tech headaches. Perfect if you want to focus on running your business instead of managing a website. WooCommerce, on the other hand, is a plugin for WordPress. That means if you already have a WordPress site or love having full control over your code and design, WooCommerce might feel more natural. It's super flexible and great for people who want to customize every detail. But that also means you'll need to handle hosting, security, plugins, and updates yourself. It can get a bit technical, especially as you grow. So which one is better? If you're looking for something simple, fast to set up, and easy to manage long-term, Shopify wins. But if you're comfortable with WordPress or want full control over your site's backend, WooCommerce could be the better fit. It's not about which is best overall. It's about what works best for your goals and how much time and effort you want to put into the technical side. Let me know in the comments which one you're leaning toward. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more honest reviews and e-commerce tips every week. Catch you next time.